gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, don't forget to click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family, and as well as the bell to be notified every single time I upload. If you guys know me, you know that I love to save a buck whenever I can. I decided to take a trip at my Dollar Tree and I picked up all of the things that I cannot live without and that are just such a better deal there. And I actually wanted to do this more of a vlog style. I will be showing clips, but I wasn't able to really vlog because unfortunately there was music playing at the Dollar Tree, and YouTube is real strict on their copyright strikes now. Everything at the Dollar Tree is either $1 or $1.25. So nothing is more than $1.25. Most of the dollar stores near me that aren't the Dollar Tree are like sometimes like $4 or $5 for something, which if you ask me, that is not a dollar. They actually have a lot of great cleaning supplies at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna share with you a few that I personally like to pick up. The first thing is sponges. So the first one I have here are just a pack of sponges. These always come in handy when you're cleaning, when you're washing dishes, and you get a lot for only $1 compared to if you were to buy them somewhere else. And another thing I love is this thing right here, which is the soap dispensing brush. So this is also really great to wash your dishes, and it's a lot easier and you don't have to get your hand all wet like these ones. So I like to have both on hand, and they are super cheap, of course, to pick it up at the Dollar Tree. Sticking on to my cleaning theme, they have really great reusable gloves. These ones in particular I love, and I got medium because they were actually sold out of the small, so I couldn't get the small. But this is great because it protects your hands while cleaning dishes, kitchens, bathrooms, floors, anything, any household chores that you have to do. I like to put these on. They just really help protect your hands while you're cleaning, and they're really cute because they're pink. They have different colors, like they have the yellow, traditional yellow, but I love pink. They're really great because they're reusable, and I just find these are actually good quality. So totally recommend picking up a pair of cleaning gloves. The next thing that's really great to buy at the Dollar Tree are just microfiber cleaning towels. I love using this when cleaning, as you guys probably see in my clean the room videos, which you totally should check out. It actually comes with two, and I got the blue. They have all different types, so it really just depends what you want. But these are the ones I typically like to go for. And this next thing is really, really great. So if you have a car, definitely pick this up. This is the microfiber wash mitt. You can use it for wet, but it's a little bit too small for me. So I actually use this for the inside of my car. Your car can get quite dusty, so you just put this mitt on and you dust it, and it's amazing. I love this like vibrant green color. It's coming off probably not the right color because it's neon. Anything neon just never comes out on camera, but they have a blue one. You can use it in the house if you want to help dust areas off or surfaces off. The next thing that is amazing for your showers is the hair catcher. So these can be a lot more pricier, but at the Dollar Tree, of course, it's gonna be $1. So I love to always put these in my showers because it catches your hair, which is amazing. If you're like me, I literally, my hair like sheds like crazy. And if you keep having hair collecting in your drains, it's gonna clog, and then that's gonna be a whole mess. So these are really convenient because all the hair is gonna catch in here, so you could just empty it, throw in your garbage, and it's going to help save your drains. So I always recommend putting this. This is set to fit most showers, sinks, and tubs. It's great to also have one for your sink because also stuff can kind of catch in there. But for the most part, showers, it's amazing because it's just gonna help prevent clogged drains. The next thing, which is really great as well, are these Essentials delicate wash bags. So I like to put things like my underwear in here and my bras to really help protect it, because if you're washing bras and underwears, they damage quite easily and they are a lot more delicate. So anything that you have delicate is great to fit in here. They also have like bigger ones, I believe, but this, like I said, I like to use for bras and underwear, and it's just really easy to put in and then throw in, and you're good to go, and it's going to make your items last longer and not ruin them as quickly. The next thing I love at the Dollar Tree are their hooks. So I in particular picked up this one. They also have the single ones and the ones that have two hooks, I believe, that are silver, but I went with the white bigger one because, as you can tell, literally everything is white, and I kind of wanted this to hang up my purses in my closet. So these are really great to have more room for storage. Instead of like throwing your purses in a box or a little drawer, this is great to have them hang up. You can see them. and they're not going to be all squished and damaged. The next thing I always like to pick up is shaving cream. I find shaving cream is pretty much the same to me. I don't really notice a difference, so I like to pick it up at the dollar store. I find it does the exact same job. The next thing that you have to go to the Dollar Tree for, and don't go anywhere else, don't spend like freaking $10 for a card or gift bags. They have the best birthday supplies, or like gift bags, gift wrapping, bows, cards, you name it. They actually have really cute things. When I went into mine the first time, I was actually really shocked because they were actually pretty. They weren't ugly bags. They had really cute ones. So anytime that you need kind of like decorations or gifting, definitely go to the Dollar Tree. Decorations as well is great. They always have different decorations for the different holidays, whether it's Halloween, Easter, Christmas, and as well as they have amazing decorations for birthday parties. They have a lot of great utensils there. Whenever it's something like a holiday or something that doesn't happen a lot of times, it's great to save as much as you can so that you're not wasting too much money just for one day. Also, there's amazing balloons at the Dollar Tree, like blown up balloons for birthday parties or little events that you may have. So when it comes to the decorations and as well as like the gift wrapping and gift bags, the Dollar Tree is where it's at. The next thing you definitely have to pick up at the Dollar Tree are socks. So these are just a pack of 3 and they are actually amazing. I got the white ones and the gray ones, and then the white ones again with the gray on it. These are the low cut socks. They have higher cut socks, but 3 pairs of socks for $1 is a steal, and you need it in your life. They're also actually good. I love these ones. These are the athletic ones, and I just find that, you know, you always need socks, and socks are definitely something that you have to replace. So save your money and pick some up at the Dollar Tree. The next thing that I like to pick up at the Dollar Tree are just some lint rollers. So this is really great because it comes with an extra small one, which is the one I like to throw in my car, and then the bigger one I keep at home. Comes with 30 sheets here and 50 sheets, and you're getting this all for $1. I find this works just as good as those more expensive ones. Another thing that you definitely have to pick up at the Dollar Tree is if you're traveling, go to the travel section. It's way better than anywhere else. Even if you go to Walmart, it's still more expensive, of course, than the Dollar Tree. In the travel sections, they have a lot of name brands. They even have like Crest 3D White toothpaste. They have Secret little mini deodorants. They have Olay, anything you could think of, and it's all for $1, so it's a lot more affordable. So if you need any travel size toiletry or hygiene products, I totally recommend the travel section at the Dollar Tree. The next thing that's great to pick up at the Dollar Tree are things for your teeth. So I personally like to pick up these dental flossers. They're $1 for 60, and they do the exact same job. And as well as they also have really great toothbrushes at the Dollar Tree, and they even have toothpaste there. So they have Colgate toothpaste, the typical toothpaste brands that you would normally buy. Another random thing that I love picking up at the Dollar Tree are these multi-purpose clips. So I call these chip clips, but you can totally use them for other things. Instead of using like elastic bands or ties to close bags and things like that, you could just use the clip, which is a lot more convenient. They also have clips at the Dollar Tree that are smaller than this, but this I find is great for like those nacho chip bags and stuff like that. So next I'm going to talk about like hair products, and not really makeup, but a tool for makeup. So I actually love their eyelash curler, and this is just the Sassy and Chic eyelash curler. It is amazing. It's $1. The last eyelash curler I bought was like literally $10, and this does just as good of a job. So I typically don't buy too much makeup at the Dollar Tree, but I do love their eyelash curler. And the last thing you should totally go to the Dollar Tree for are hair accessories. So they have really great brushes there, and also hair accessories. So I picked up an 8-pack of clips, also picked up elastic bands, and it also comes with those no pull tie elastics, which are amazing. You can buy these at the dollar store. They're so much cheaper than going out anywhere else. You're gonna spend so much on these types of hair ties when they have it at the Dollar Tree. So these hair ties I actually like as well because they're more thicker, so they're gonna hold for if you have thicker hair. And then bobby pins. I lose these things like crazy, so I don't really like to spend a lot of money on bobby pins when I know like half of these are gonna be missing in like a week. So I like to pick up bobby pins or any hair ties or accessories, like I said, at the Dollar Tree. And before I go, I forgot to mention the last item is actually panty liners. Personally, I find they do the exact same job and you're saving so much money, and panty liners is an essential for every woman, so might as well save money on it when you can, because this is something that you constantly need. And I have been using panty liners from the dollar store for a while and haven't noticed any difference. So those are all the products that you need from the Dollar Tree and that are totally worth it and actually good quality. Of course, the Dollar Tree is super cheap and some things might not be the best quality, so I like to steer away from those items, but all the things I mentioned are things that are $1 but worth it, and it's not gonna break in like 2 seconds. Thumbs it up if you liked videos like this. You can let me know any other requests you want down below. I can do more videos like these, but doing at different stores if you'd like, but I'm not sure if you wanna see it, just let me know. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to join my YouTube family and click the bell to be notified every single time I upload like this. But on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!